Hello, we're going to do an interview on Max the puppy.
Yes, Max.
So, Max, when was your birthday?
He said February 28th.
Okay, Max, what tricks can you do?
Up. Good boy. Max, sit. Sit. Good boy. Now,
Alright,
bang, bang! Good boy.
alright, so, now, what is your favorite treat? I guess it's that thing on the floor.
That thing. Oh! Max, sit.
I guess it is.
Ready? Catch.
So, that is our video. See you later.